Yep, a little truck will run over you. You can't get in the road.
Little truck roll me.
Yep, they'll roll over you. They can't see you.
Little truck going.
I know it's gone now, but there'll be one out there in a minute. Yeah. You can't go in the road.
Okay. Huh? Moment. It's a big tractor.
It's over there in the mud.
A bug.
Yep, it's in the mud.
The tractor's stuck.
No, it's not stuck. We just can't get over there to it without getting our shoes messed up.
I get the tractor. Papa.
What?
I go so low.
Can't go in the road.
There.
What?
There. There, rock.
You put rocks in there too? Where are you going to haul them rocks? I see them.
Eat
Eat it? You can't eat rocks.
it.
Don't put that in your mouth.
I put on my hand.
You can't put rocks in your mouth. That's nasty.
I put my hand.
Yeah, you can put them in your hand, but don't put them in your mouth. Who gave you that idea?
I'm just not run.
Put them in your trailer. That's okay. They in your trailer.
It's every rock.
Yeah,
Let's have a rock.
they in your trailer somewhere.
No here.
You found them?
I have no here.
Just-
Eat the fruit.
You don't have to see them. Look, there goes a little truck right there on the road. I don't know what that was. Looked like a loaf of bread.
No, that's it. Uh-oh.
What you trying to do? Scare me?
No, it's okay now.
Let's go.
Okay.
Gotta watch where you're going. No, you can't go to the mailbox because that's across the road. No. I don't know. Baby girl's over this way somewhere. No, she's not in the road. She knows better than that. Come on, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Good girl. Good girl. She don't like to ride. She's scared, I guess.
Too big. I can't get down.
Can't get what out? What you gonna do? Ride in the back?
No. There's a light.
Yeah, it's got a light on it. That's neat. What kind of tractor is that? Huh?
That's
John Deere?
idea.
Yeah,
That's idea.
that's right. It's a John Deere tractor.
Danger tractor.
Yeah.
Danger tractor. Come make me truck. Come on my truck. Mommy truck.
We got to charge your truck up. Battery's dead in it.
Pick up some. I'll pick the leaf.
You can't pick up no leaves right now. It's all wet. I have to wait for it to dry up a little bit.
With the traveling feet.
Yep.
Papa, what are
I'm taking a movie of you.
Yeah. Papa.
Don't go over there. It's muddy. It's wet. It's not muddy. It's just wet. You got a radio? That's not a radio. No, that's a reindeer. That's a John Deere. Yeah, it kind of looks like a reindeer. That's their logo.
No. Oh my God.
She went back over there where she was. She's smelling where other dogs went.
Duck. Eat a boat.
You gonna drive that tractor or what?
No.
You're not? Why? Whoa! Why are you standing up? Why are you standing up? You see Pawpaw stand up on his sometimes?
That's dirty.
Yeah, it's dirty. You can't go down there. All right, I guess we're fixing to turn this off. Gonna say bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera?
No.
No.
No, Daddy.
Tell everybody on the internet bye-bye. You're going to see yourself on TV, on YouTube.
Baby girl somewhere.
Yeah, baby girl somewhere.
See, baby girl.
You seen her?
Come on, baby girl. You do it.
What'd you say? Come on, baby girl, you can do it?
Oh, baby girl. Somebody's at the house.
Yep, somebody's at their house.
Baby girl's at my house.
No, she's in their front yard.
This was out.
Do I hear an airplane?
Huh? No,
You don't?
I'm going.
Listen. I think I hear one.
I see no one.
Listen.
Huh? No, not airplane.
It's not? What is it?
No airplane. No airplane.
It's not an airplane?
Yeah. Oh, no, that's no airplane.
Maybe it's a train. All right, I guess I'll get on your tractor and take off. Let's see, we're going to have to modify your trailer. The sticks are going through the rail in here. Yeah.
Papa.
Gonna have to put a bed liner in here or something.
In the truck. In the truck.
Yep. That's a car.
That car. May have wreck.
Who had a wreck?
Mommy truck had wreck.
When? When did Mommy have a wreck? Huh? You telling off on Mommy?
Yeah. Mommy.
She's scat. Bless you. It's wet over there too. Bye-bye. What?